First of all, let's take a look at our account dashboard. Here you can see your balance, demo or real account. Trade history, if you're a beginner, always start with a demo account. Now we'll add an indicator. Click on the indicators option above and select MACD indicator. This indicator helps us understand market direction and entry point. Now let's select a currency pair, EUR/CAD. Always choose a pair with a clear trend and good payout. Live trade example. Now let's take a live trade. As you can see, MACD crossover has happened. Trend is, I am placing a sell trade now, and set the time, like 5 minutes or your preferred timing. Now let's understand the chart. These candles show market movement. Green candle, market is going. Red candle, hot, market is going down. Identifying the trend is very important. MACD indicator, explanation. Now let's talk about MACD. In MACD, you'll see signal line, MACD line, histogram. When the MACD line crosses above the signal line, that's a buy signal. When it crosses below, that's a sell signal. Now the most important part, buy entry. Trend is upward. MACD gives upward crossover. Strong green candle. Sell entry. Trend is down. MACD gives downward crossover. Strong red candle. Never enter without confirmation. Now we wait the result. Result, as you can see, our second trade is also a win. If we look at the balance, we started with around 150 and now our balance has increased to about 288. And if you look carefully at the chart, you can see that the signals stayed above the price and did not move. Below with confirmed our trade. You can see that our first trade was successful. Now we are about to enter the second trade using the same strategy to achieve more confirmed results. That's another winning trade. We placed 150 and walked away with $288 in profit. If you also want VIP trading signals like this, you can my Telegram channel. The VIP group link is available in my bio, so just click the link and join my Telegram.